Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Dovely, which is AI-powered credit repair service that helps improve your credit score automatically. So if you are considering using Dovely, stick around to see if it is the right solution for you. Now, Dovely is a fully automated credit repair platform that is designed to help you identify and dispute the errors on your credit report. It works with all the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So in order to track and improve your credit score over time. Now here are some of the pros that I would like to mention. So first pro is that it is automated. The dispute process, so the platform automatically finds the dispute and dispute the errors, saving you time and effort. If you just scroll down a bit and take a look at the plans, so you will find that the free plan is also available here, so you can access a basic version at no cost. That makes it a risk-free way to start improving your credit. It is AI powered, so Adobe continuously monitor your credit and suggests the way to boost your score. It is very fast and efficient as well. There are many users that see the credit score improvement within just months, thanks to the regular automated disputes. Now these were some of the pros. I would like to mention some of the cons as well. Like the free plan has some limitations, so in order to unlock the full potential you will have to buy the paid plan. So second thing is that unlike some other credit repair services, Dovely is fully automated, meaning that there is no one-on-one guidance, and the repair success actually depends on individual credit history. So not all the users will see the same improvements. So in a final verdict, I would like to say that if you want an affordable and automated way to repair your credit, Dovely is a great option. The free plan lets you test the platform, while the paid version offers unlimited disputes for faster results. So if you are ready to take control of your credit, you can just check out the link in the description to get started. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.